Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sanjana here. If you're new here, hello. In today's video, I will be doing a comparison and a review of the 2021 planner from Inkbucket, and I will be comparing it with the 2020 planner. So enjoy this video. First major difference, as you can see here, is in the size. There's a little bit of a difference between the 2021 and the 2020 planner. Honestly, I don't think it's a very notable difference. You will get used to it as and when you start using it. And also, I'm not the one who carries this planner around with me. It's a pretty heavy and a bulky planner, so it really doesn't matter a lot. And this here you can see the major difference that I saw between both the planners is this 2020 planner was very muted down. It didn't have a ton of designs. It did have some gorgeous designs, but not as the ones in 2020. So you can see the main first page here. There's not a lot of design, and this is covered with design, which I absolutely love. So that's really nice. And at the beginning she had notes, and it's the same. So the notes are different in both of these planners, but you get the gist of it, right? Like the design and the format is pretty similar. And then we have the yearly pages. This is pretty hard to compare. This I think we just had for 2020, and here we have for both 2021 and 2022. And then look how plain these pages are, which I never used, by the way. It's pretty plain. We have some note pages. I always really worry about writing on these pages, and then I never end up writing it. So this year I have to write it. So here you can see we have a ton more pages at the beginning. Here we have some review, reviewing your 2020 and also welcoming 2021. There are some nice journaling prompts here. So that's really nice. And then we have vision board. And then we have a page to set our goals. So these things are divided into categories. So we have work, personal, health, financial, relationship, and other goals. And here we have some space to make our plans. So some of the priorities for 2021, what habits we want to adopt and what habits we want to eliminate, some skills to learn, do more of and do less of. It's pretty formatted here. It'll be easier especially for someone who's using a planner for the first time. And then we have a monthly spread where you can put anything you want. And then this is new as well. We don't have this in the 2020 planner, so it's a year at a glance spread, and I'm not sure what I can use it for, but I'll definitely look through on Pinterest to find out. And then we have another page to note down birthdays. And then we have notes page here. Another difference between the 2020 and 2021 planner is the way your month begins. Here you can see, let me just check. Okay, there's nothing personal that I don't want to share. So here you can see, as soon as we enter, we just flip open to this monthly spread. Directly we enter the calendar spread, and then this in the next page I have written something that's personal, but I can definitely show you the last month that I have not written. So for December you can see this is the monthly page here, and then you move to where your artwork is. But here it's the other way around. First you get the artwork, and then you get your monthly calendar page. And even the monthly calendar, look how plain and simple it is, which really didn't matter to me because, as you can see here, I end up decorating it, which is really nice. It gives me a blank slate. But here there are already some colors, so if you are a decorative planner and if you use some stickers, you might consider matching your stickers with these. And then we have a monthly dashboard. This is like way difficult than I thought. Like I cannot fit both of these planners into one single frame. Let's see. So this was the monthly dashboard page. So it said, this month I'm attracting in my life, my intentions and agendas for this month. Very simple. It didn't take a lot of time for me, just took about like 30 minutes for me to fill out. But this year we have a lot and it's really nice. We have a habit tracker here, we have intentions and agendas here, and then I am looking forward to, you can probably like use the same prompt for this month I'm attracting in my life. So you'll have similar things. In addition to that, you have a monthly to-do list, priorities for your month, and some pages to like make some notes or doodles, and also a list of important dates as well as a space for expenses like your bills for the upcoming month. And there's a huge difference in the weekly dashboard as well. Let me flip open. So here, let me show you the 2020 planner first. The weekly dashboard in 2020 had like end of the week reflections, weekly expenses, dreams for next week. In this planner, we have something similar. We have like weekly reflections and weekly expenses, and then we have this gratefulness section, which was a full page here in the previous planner. This one here, it's where did it go? Yeah, here it's a tiny section, which is fine. I like ended up filling like these many lines, and honestly I used to fill it because I had this much space, but this is nice as well. And what I really like about this planner is that we have this week's plan section. So this is a place to reiterate your work goals as well as your personal goals, which is really nice. And you have a place for meal plan, some calls or emails to send, shopping list, and weekly affirmation. And last year we had weekly affirmations that was already pre-printed, and we had like different ones for every week, like all 52 or 53 weeks. And then there's a huge difference in the way the weeks are set out. You can see here in 2021 it's laid out horizontally. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday are split into half. I really don't know how I feel about it as of now, because one of the things I really loved about her planner is the space for each day. So each day was just split out into 2 like days, and here you can see each page has been split out into like 3 or even 4 days. So I really want to see how I'm going to be using it. And I loved having all this space. I would like put down stickers, I would write the list of things that I want to do. You never know, this might like force me to cut down the things that I want to get done during the day. So this might turn out well as well. I'm just keeping an open mind to it. And these were the major differences. Also, another thing that I wanted to check is the number of sticker pages that we have here. Yes, I remember that we had 4 sticker pages, which I didn't use, by the way. I get like, I don't know, I feel I'm one of those people who accumulate stickers and not use a ton, because I'm worried that I might not be able to get them again. This year is not going to be that year. I want to end up using it. I just used one birthday sticker, and that too for my birthday. I have not used any of the other stickers. And this year we have 3 sticker pages in the end, but I guess there are like a lot more stickers comparatively, like you can see here, right? Like look at the number of stickers that are here and that are here. So I guess that's why there are 3 pages of stickers. And at the end of each month we have a monthly review section. I think these are very similar to the ones that were there last year. Let me just flip open to the end. Yeah, this is the monthly review page. The questions are like, it's the same. The questions are the same. And then we had the habit tracker at the end of the month now, which is there at the beginning. Also, these were all like pre-printed, the habit trackers. I used to just track like the same habits that she has given, and in the end I would put like whatever I wanted to, but this year it's nice that everything is blank. You can add whatever you want to add. And also the colors have been changing for each month here. Last year it didn't change a lot, so it's nice to see a bit of color because I really love the colors that she chooses. And look at this notes page, it's so pretty. Look at the colors, each month has a different color. So I think this is the cover page for April. If you're interested to look at the cover pages, I can show you here. This is the one for March, April, May. It also has a bookmark, which I think even this planner had. I chopped it off because I use these bookmarks, which I prefer. I use these ones, it stays like within the book, so I use these magnetic bookmarks. And I think I'm gonna chop this off because I just don't use it. Then we have here for June, look at this dog. July, August, September, October, November, and December. And then we have a bunch of note pages at the back. Oh, one more thing I didn't observe is we have highlights of this year's spread, which was not there last year, so this is really nice. You can like have some pictures from the previous year, like in this case it'll be for 2021. It'll be nice to, like, you can do it as and when you are documenting your life, and not one day at the end of the year. That is never going to work out, like at least for me. So as and when there are some nice moments in your life, you can like print out those pictures and add it here. And we have some note pages here and like sticker sheets. And then we have some note pages at the back as well. And also we have a bigger pocket folder. Honestly, this one I couldn't like store anything here because of the width of it. Like it was pretty small. I couldn't store even like my sticker sheets as well. So I'm hoping this year I will be able to do it here because it'll be nice to have some stickers on the go. So yeah guys, this is the comparison from 2021 to 2020 planner from the Ink Bucket. Let me know which planner you are using for 2021. I would love to know that. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.